Since the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, the world of astronomy has been gripped by confusion and wonder. Something is not right. JWST images have challenged the foundations of modern civilization. Space seems to challenge our basic understanding and reveal stories behind its actions, which we as scientists have misled the world in ways we never imagined. The world is speaking to us through these amazing sights, and what they say is only a warning. The telescope has peered deeper into space and time than ever before, revealing galaxies and cosmic structures so old and so perfectly formed that they shouldn't exist by any stretch of current scientific thought. The JWST was supposed to confirm our understanding of the universe, yet it is doing the opposite. It is forcing us to question everything we thought we knew. As we delve into these revelations, we may find that the very fabric of our understanding of space and time is crumbling, raising the question, is this the end of cosmology as we know it? The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in December 2021, was heralded as the most powerful space telescope ever built. It promised to peer into the very depths of the universe, exploring the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. What scientists expected were newly formed galaxies, just the seeds of the larger structures seen today. But what they saw left them speechless. Galaxies that are older and older than they should be are scattered throughout the early universe. Images released from JWST show galaxies that have already formed, some as old as 13.5 billion years, just 300 million years after the Big Bang. These galaxies are filled with stars and complex structures that defy our understanding of the early universe. This is not a trivial mistake. It's a fascinating contradiction. According to the Big Bang model, galaxies may not have developed this long ago. It is believed that the universe was very chaotic at that time, and that matter was just beginning to coalesce into stars and galaxies. But here, it's very accurate and very old. This is only the beginning of the JWST mystery to be discovered. The emergence of these ancient galaxies has created a crisis in the universe, a crisis that threatens to destroy the fundamental principles upon which the universe is based. For decades, cosmologists have worked under the assumption that the universe is uniform and isotropic on a large scale. In fact, although individual galaxies and star systems may vary in size, shape and composition, the macrostructure of the universe is the same. This concept of balance is built into the concept of astronomy, which says that everywhere you look in the world, it looks the same. However, recent observations from the JWST are beginning to cast serious doubt on this long-standing hypothesis. If such galaxies existed, ancient and well-formed, in the early universe, it indicates that the universe may not be the same as the universe and predicted in the past. JWST images have shown us amazing structures like the Great Arc and the Great Ring, massive structures created by galaxies and galaxy clusters that challenge the boundaries of what is possible. The world is killing. An egalitarian world. It means a sky mountain in what was thought to be a plain, vast desert of galaxies and dark matter. Even before the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers struggled with a major problem known as the Hubble problem. The Hubble phenomenon refers to the difference between different methods for measuring the universe's expansion rate. When scientists measure the rate of expansion using distant galaxies, the cosmic microwave background, CMB, the radiation left over from the Big Bang, gives two different answers. JWST is supposed to help with this problem, but the mystery goes deeper. More accurate measurements have confirmed the existence of Hubble's arc and show that the universe is not as easily expanded as previously thought. One possibility is that the universe's expansion is being influenced by previously unknown forces or structures, which might be disrupting the uniformity of the cosmos. The uneven distribution of matter, as evidenced by the JWST's findings, could be causing parts of the universe to expand at different rates, further complicating our understanding of its overall behavior. The multiverse hypothesis has even been floated as a potential explanation, with some scientists suggesting that our universe is interacting with other, unseen universes, causing irregularities in its expansion. As scientists grapple with these new observations, some are looking beyond our universe for answers. The multiverse hypothesis, a once far-fetched idea relegated to the fringes of theoretical physics, is now being seriously considered as a possible solution to the current crisis in cosmology. According to this theory, our universe is one of many universes that coexist with many others in the multiverse. Each world may have its own set of rules, properties and structures. If true, it means that the world we observe is only a small part of a much larger and more complex world. Some scientists have suggested that the bubbles observed by jwst, such as strange original galaxies and large cosmic structures, may be the result of interactions between our planet and other planets in the multiverse. If our world is expanding to the space occupied by other worlds, it can explain the problems of the uniformity of expansion and the different distribution of matter. Although still highly speculative, this idea shows a much larger and more exotic appearance than previously thought. If proven correct, it would not only explain the mysteries discovered by jwst, but would change our understanding of the universe and force us to think that our world is just a small piece of the puzzle. One of the most important indicators of the existence of a uniform and isotropic universe is the cosmic microwave background, CMB. The CMB is the flare of the Big Bang, a snapshot of the universe about 380,000 years after its birth. It shows the distribution of matter and confirms the idea that the ancient world was almost perfect. However, the latest jwst findings complicate this picture. If the universe was the same in the beginning, how did the large and complex structures we see today arise? The answer to this question is still not clear, but one possibility is that the expansion of the world was disrupted by invisible forces or structures, which caused a unified world to change into a different one in the time. Another possibility is that the CMB phenomenon is simply an illusion. Maybe the world isn't what we thought it was, and the ghosts that jwst discovered only show the reality and complexity of the world. In any case, distinguishing between the smooth CMB and the chaotic structures observed by jwst is one of the biggest challenges in modern cosmology. The discovery of large cosmic structures such as the Great Arc and the Great Ring has added another layer of complexity to the jwst observations. These structures, galaxies and galaxy clusters, are so massive that they challenge the limits of our understanding of the universe's vast structure. According to planetary theory, the universe should be uniform on large scales, meaning that everywhere you look, galaxies and matter should be evenly distributed. However, the large arc and large ring contradict this theory, suggesting that the universe may be more diverse than we thought. These colorful structures are like the mountains of the universe, large structures that stand out against the same background of galaxies and dark matter. What these structures look like and what they mean for our understanding of the universe's evolution is still a mystery, but their existence is another sign that our models of the universe are wrong. The discoveries made by the James Webb Space Telescope have shaken the foundations of modern civilization. The simple concept of a uniform, universal universe is no longer sufficient to explain the strange and complex structures we see in the universe. As scientists continue to analyze the jwst data, they must develop new theories and models to explain the observed anomalies. One thing is that we are on the brink of a major revolution in our understanding of the world. Just as the discovery of dark matter and dark energy changed the universe in the 20th century, the jwst discoveries may lead to the discovery of new forces or structures that shape the universe in ways that were previously unknown. Again, to understand the multiverse hypothesis, the idea of universe structures beyond our current understanding, and the possibility of interaction between our world and others, are all exciting ways to explain the jwst observations. However, these ideas are still in their infancy, and more research is needed to determine whether they hold the answer to global problems. The James Webb Space Telescope has opened a new chapter in the study of the universe. The findings challenged some of the most important assumptions about the universe and forced scientists to rethink long-held beliefs about its formation and evolution. As we continue to examine the jwst data, one thing is clear: the universe is stranger and more complex than we thought. We are on the brink of a new planetary era, one that may bring revolutionary discoveries about the nature of the universe and our place in it. Whether it is the discovery of new forces, the confirmation of a multidimensional world, or the realization that the world is more powerful than we thought, the future of the world promises to be full of excitement, mystery and wonder.